It's in our DNA to move, to explore, to go somewhere. In a globalized world, it's this drive that makes each of us unique. LOCI is more than a vehicle. It's the evolution of personalized mobility. This 3D printed autonomous electric podcar is designed for last-mile movement. LOCI was created by NowLab using parametric modeling to easily customize for any climate, terrain, or personalization. LOCI drives you comfortably through dense urban environments, whether it's an airport connection, your daily commute, or local logistics. Printed with the latest Big Rep technologies, using a range of engineering-grade materials. LOCI features airless tires, embedded electronics, and wireless connectivity. Batches of podcars can be produced on demand using a fleet of Big Rep printers. Big Rep Part DNA technology makes LOCI parts easy to identify. Simply scan the part and print a replacement. LOCI is an affordable solution for urban transportation, harnessing the speed and agility of additive manufacturing. A global world made local.